The Merit's Yoga S542. This foldable portable electric scooter is the perfect companion for the avid traveller. The Yoga S542 comes with its own custom carrying suitcase, which features TSA-Approved Locks for added security and convenience. Including the battery, it comes in at just over 25 kilograms or 56 pounds, making it easy to carry and move. Collapsed, it measures only 52 centimeters in length and 64 centimeters in height. Of course, its key feature is its clever foldable design, allowing for a lightweight scooter that is both easy to assemble and use, as well as strong and durable. Fully assembled, the Yoga S542 measures just under 1 meter long and just over 1 meter tall. The seat comes with armrests that can flip up for easier access. They can also be adjusted horizontally, conforming to the rider's needs for maximum comfort. The Yoga S542 features hefty carrying capacity of 113 kilograms or 250 pounds. The Yoga S542 sports an easy-to-use control panel with simple controls. These rest on top of the adjustable tiller, which at the press of a button can be pulled back towards the rider for increased comfort and ease of use. This scooter's high clearance and tight turning radius offer excellent versatility, allowing the Yoga S542 to be maneuvered in any indoor or outdoor situation. The Yoga also features Merit's patented twin front wheel design with leaf spring suspension. This ensures a smooth and stable ride even when the road isn't. The Yoga S542's smart design means it can be assembled and collapsed in a matter of seconds by virtually anyone. Not only is the Yoga S542 more than capable of going anywhere with you, its ease of use and eye-catching good looks mean you'll enjoy every second with your new travel companion.